Good morning. It's May 18th. Let's go over daily bias. So, first thing I see for this week, we have one news event, and that's FOMC with the new Fed chair on Wednesday. So I honestly can expect Monday and Tuesday especially, be pretty bad. Monday, we can expect to be pretty bad as well because there's no news, but we'll find more later. As you can see, I have stuff already marked out. I'll go over it all on the daily time frame right now. We can see Friday completely closed through Thursday's previous day low. So we can use that to anticipate lower prices. I'm going to write that down. Hold up. Notepad. I'll write that down. So we can just see it on the side. Okay. 1. Bearish. That's not how you spell bearish. Bearish. Friday closed through fucking Thursday. I'm gonna kill someone. Anticipate lower price. Okay, that's one thing. Let's go down to the 4 hour. As you can see, this fair value gap is still holding. You barely hold through that over there, and we're holding now here. As you can see, we reacted off of this. We actually reacted off of these lows, which I had marked out on Friday, and it wanted to get hit, but it never did get hit on Friday. So I never took a trade. Yeah, we reacted off of these. It looks like we're getting higher, probably to this liquidity point. Based off of this, can I tell? We disrespected this bullish inefficiency. Oh no, we didn't really, because I think it's technically. No, wait, what am I saying? Of course we did. We definitely disrespected this bullish inefficiency, but we're still holding this one. I'd like to think that's a sign that we're bearish, honestly, because it aligns with the other thing. Also, there's this bearish inefficiency that we're still within. Can't really say for sure whether we're respecting or disrespecting it yet, but I want to see it get respected because I am looking for shorts today, honestly. I'll get more into that later. Let's open Notepad. You can't really say anything about inefficiencies and what they are, but we can say this one small bullish inefficiency is getting disrespected. But that's on Friday's price action as well. I think Will took this trade actually. Anyway, bearish. Another point for bearish. Small. It is a small 4 hour bullish. I don't know how it's inefficient. Sure, whatever. Disrespected. But there is a point for bullish because large 4 hour bullish retested for value. I'm not going to respect it. So there is a point for bullish there. I'll be fair. 1 hour. Can we get a clear sign? This got disrespected. Like these were the lows I was talking about that got swept Sunday open. This fair value gap is still here, holding, or maybe we will. We're creating new ones. I'll talk about that later. There's no fair value gap there. Creating a new, this bullish order block, or bearish order block, sorry, kind of got disrespected as well. Maybe we can see a retracement to this. I'm going to mark that out. That looks kind of important, actually. Then midpoint of the candle. This video is going to be so long. I'm calling it. Okay. Give me that. There we go. And okay. That order block could be useful. Head down to the 15-minute. Now we look at the sessions. What did the sessions do? Purely based off session narrative. Asian moved how long? Like 200 points. Okay. London moved 250 points. Okay, so what does that tell me? Basically, London moved bullish without taking any Asian liquidity. So purely based off a session narrative, price is going to open, sweep this London low or any kind of key level within London. Like I marked out this liquidity point, this fair value gap, sweep that out, and then continue higher. But I don't really want to see that happening. So purely based off a session narrative, that was what happened. So we'll give that a point to bullish. Bullish session narrative. Bullish. Okay. That's purely based off what happened. But there's still this fair value gap with this clean 4-hour liquidity draw in there. Also, this order block, so maybe a short. It depends on what we do off of market open. If we just dump, if we just dump without taking this liquidity, I'll be bullish. But if we just keep going up, I'll be bearish because I don't want to take a short at this point. If we hit all-time highs, I'm not taking shorts, obviously. But yeah, I think that's my bias for the day. I'm gonna just write some more stuff here. Bearish because I know there's 2 equal points for each, but I'm still leaning bearish because 4-hour draw DOL within 4-hour what's it called for value gap. That looks juicy. And also, like, if you're asking, like, what about OTE? Like, both of these targets are in OTE. Like, OTE, this range is right here, which would still work for that sweep. OTE of this range is right here, so that would work. So OTE works in both cases. Assuming market opens here, the opening range gap will be how big? It's 227 points. So the opening range gap is going to open bullish. Okay, I think that's a sign that we're bullish then on the day. I mean, I'm looking at the stock market as well, and it looks pretty bullish as well. So I think I'll have to scratch that bias and go to bullish. Yeah, I'm just delete this because it looks like an idiot. 5 bullish because range gap is greater than 120 points. And what is it? Discount, I think it's called. Yeah. Opening range gap is greater than 120 points and is discount. So very bullish. Well, it's kind of bullish anyway. If that's the case, this is what I expect to happen. 730 open is right here. So we come down below 730. Either we take this low in reverse or we take this low in reverse. Either or, doesn't really matter. If we take this low, it's a little bit less likely because it's Monday with no news. And that's like what? Yeah, that's a lot. You could probably, yeah, that's a lot. But the sessions were normal, so you never know. All right, that's it.